Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Unice hair. They did send me this closure wig bob and I will be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this easy beginner friendly look, y'all. All I did was glue the hair down and flatten it out. It came pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so let's get right into this video.
That's fine for you. I do that 3-4 times and can I testify for you? I told I like you, that bitch I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier right with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up? Are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's how these summer do.
So guys, this is the completed look. I definitely enjoy collabing with Unice. They never disappoint y'all. Everything about this wig will be in the description box. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you are interested in shopping with them. Definitely let them know that I did send you. As I mentioned y'all, the wig is a 10 out of 10. It definitely speaks for itself. It came pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. All I did was really glue it down and put the baby hairs down and flatten it out. Definitely recommend this for all the beginners out there, y'all. Definitely love it. It's a 10 out of 10. Everything about Unice will be in the description box. Really everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We at 54K. We're in the road to 100K. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.